Chief Minister N. Biren has asserted that focus should be made on how to bring peace and concentrate on healing the wounds rather than blaming one another. The Chief Minister made this statement during an interaction program with participants of hospitality sector under Hunar Se Rozgar scheme and perfumery at Hindu College, Delhi. The interaction program was jointly organized by Manipur Tourism and Textiles, Commerce and Industries Department at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Under the Hunar Se Rozgar scheme of Ministry of Tourism, about 400 youths have completed or are undergoing training. Out of this, 169 have secured placements in key cities and 78 of them belong to the internally displaced persons category. While 30 youths, including 15 IDPs from across the state, participated in the 3-week perfumery training program held at Hindu College, Delhi. Youths from different districts who had undergone training and gotten job placements shared their experiences during the training program and appreciated the Chief Minister and Manipur government for the initiatives being taken up for them. Speaking to the youths, Chief Minister Biren appreciated DCs of different districts and other department officials for their dedicated service in providing the training programs to the youths. He expressed happiness, stating, "It is an emotional moment to interact with youths of different communities after 1.5 years of unprecedented crisis." The Chief Minister added that the same as new hope towards state's development with focus on youth and forwarding together as one. He continued that people face different phases in life, but unitedly overcome with determination and willpower.
Perfumes have Hindu college in the Yaurba Moy Kuntrado, Adugina immediately Moigi sit money, Bivani Kutanga, Tauroka the Palisinia Kayake, without cholesterol assurance, Pinada Moigi, Biren.